Chem 110B, sample final number 22, the old addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of exponentials, significant figures calculation. Okay, so the first thing to do, the best thing to do, is to punch the whole shooting match into your calculator and see what the raw answer is before you go back and try to figure out sig figs. So, what is 2.35 times 10 to the minus 8th plus 1.225 times 10 to the minus 7th times the quantity 15.59 plus 0.41. Well, my calculator says 0.000002336. That's what my calculator says. That's all my calculator says. Your job is to go and figure out the correct number of sig figs in the problem. Alright, so let's see how you go about doing that. Well, let's do this one first because it's easy. Every time you do an addition and subtraction, you line up the decimal places and draw a line to the least number of places past the decimal. This is 2 places past, 2 places past. The answer is going to be 2 places past. So even though your calculator would only say 16, this number has 4 sig figs. Okay? So that still might be the right answer because it's 4 sig figs. It couldn't be more than 4 sig figs. It might be less. Let's see how we figure out sig figs on this. Remember, you have to match up the exponentials, and it doesn't matter which side you match them up. It could be both times 10 to the minus 8th or both times 10 to the minus 7th. I think I'm going to take and make this number into 10 to the minus 8th. Okay, so let's make this 10 to the minus 7th. Either way, 2.35 times 10 to the minus 8th. What's a bigger number? A number times 10 to the minus 8th or a number times 10 to the minus 7th? The bigger number is 10 to the minus 7th. So we have to multiply by 10 to make that bigger. But we have to keep the same value of the number, so we have to divide that part. So we're rewriting this number into 0.235 times 10 to the minus 7th. Punch that into your calculator and see if you get the same answer. Make that bigger, make that smaller. It's the same. Once they're the same exponential, it's real easy to line up the decimal places and do the math. The exponentials fall out at the end whenever you add those up. That's what you get. That has 4 sig figs as well. So this number times this number is a number with 4 times a number with 4. So the answer has to have 4 sig figs. Your calculator actually gave you the right answer. Almost never happens. 2.336 times 10 to the what? Big number or little number? Really little. So it's going to be a negative exponential. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That works just fine. Actually, what you had before just worked just fine. That's maybe the best way. Come on, you need to be able to be good at this to get out of Chem 110 alive, right? So review your Chem 110A sample final or your final exam. Go back to quiz 1, chapter 1, examples 1A through 1H, those exercises, okay? Good luck.